नहीं हमारा थैंक यू सर पूरी तो ऑफ करो कैसा ऑफ करिए क्या ऑफ Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday we had a holiday in Bhutan because of third king's birthday.
Yeah, it was the king's birthday yesterday.
So
yeah.
we didn't get any permit yesterday. So what we did today morning, we did all the permits, everything we have done, documents verification, everything is done. We have got all the documents. We have got road permit also in this. And now time is 11 o'clock. We'll be reaching around 1:30 to Thimphu. From here, Thimphu is 140 kilometers. I want to introduce one more guy, sorry, Ronak, this hotel's owner. Ronak, I want to say something about this hotel. Where is any bikers को पूरा डिस्काउंट मिलेगा क्या हमारा तरफ
अरे
से?
बाइकर्स को दिल खोल के मतलब बाइकर्स लोग हमारे यहाँ 1 बजे 2 बजे 3 बजे पहुँचते हैं ना एकदम दिल खोल के मतलब बाइकर्स लोग को वेलकम करना है
Bikers को
आई हैव 5 रूम रिजर्व फॉर बाइकर्स
Oh my God, very good. See, bikers को special discount मिल जाएगा for sure.
आई एम मेकिंग मोर रूम्स अप देयर तो उस पे आई एम मेकिंग डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर कीपिंग द हेलमेट एंड एवरीथिंग
Oh, very. You should come, Jaigaon, and catch him.
I'll arrange
He'll get nice discount. Bikers, 100%. You come and tell my name, no, he'll get discount for that. Karthik PG.
कार्तिक पीजी डू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल
Oh, thank you. Thanks, Ronik bhai. Thanks. Okay.
Thank you, Ronak. Thanks a lot.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Much happy. Today we'll be going to Bhutan. What, Pratik?
Really happy, man.
Land
Document. Maybe can do. This one. सर पूरी तो ऑफ करो कैसा ऑफ करिए क्या